along with their coaches Mr. Arun Pawar and Mr. Rohan Gorad. And now it's time to call on coach the second team, Team Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Garjana! The owners are all pumped up and excited about the game, giving a standing ovation. Following them is are their coaches, Mr. Rohan Jagtap, a former probable for the Indian team, a national level coach, and with him is Mr. Manoj Dhotre. The referees for the game, Mr. Rashid Sheikh, Mr. Rohit Gewari, and Mr. Amarnath Tripathi, all three national qualified referee by the Basketball Federation of India. This is Sunriya Maharashtra Basketball League by ABC and ACG in association with the Maharashtra State Basketball Association. This is where wonders happen. Over to the referees. Thank you. All the best to both the teams.
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूँ। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूँ। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro,
Welcome back to the second men's qualifier matchup. We're all set to witness the Mumbai Bears and the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Garjana going up against each other. Two teams battling it out here to secure a spot in the semi-final. The first semi-finalist of the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League has been secured. It is the home team, Pune Tuskers, but the Bears will also look to go back as we look at the starting five. Rajveer, Satyam, Aman, Shreyas, Shikhar, along with their head coach Arjun Pawar. And of course, the substitutes will come through the rest of the three quarters of basketball. Alongside me in the comm box, as I call in Pavni, I will quickly take you through the CSN Garjana lineup. Siddhant, Ginit, Deep, Kevin, Shlok. They had a great win yesterday before coming into this game, Pavni, and they will look to keep that momentum on here in the playoffs.
Absolutely, another interesting matchup here between the Garjana and the Mumbai Bears. Both of them coming here after a win yesterday, and the teams are lining up. The teams are lining up here for this matchup. Mumbai Bears, Satyam, Shikhar, Shreyash, Aman, Rajveer. And for the Garjana team, it's Doshi, Shlok, Deep. And we are settling in for the tip-off here. As I said, for the Garjana team, we have Siddhant, Ginit, Deep, Kevin and Shlok. And we will be starting Bears versus Garjana.
We're all set to tip off, and it's game time here at the Balewadi Indoor Stadium. The tip-off going in favor of the Bears. Here comes the possession in the first instance. Rajveer finds Aman, who puts up the three. He won't start off with the three. The rebound gathered by Deep. He's, of course, going to get a lot of rebounds. And a violation to start off.
Garjana team coming off a win against the Storms, the Mumbai Storms, very recently, yesterday. And they kicked that team out of contention. It is the Mumbai Bears on the attack, and the defenders do their job right. It will be the Bears in possession. Rajveer on the drive, misses the layup.
Ball's brought up by Ginit. He plays it to the captain, Sid Doshi. Runs into too many Bears. Back out to Ginit. 4-3. High arcing shot is good.
Three-pointer early on in the first quarter for Ginit. It is Shikhar on the ball. Shikhar moving, finding his teammates. On to Satyam. Satyam with the ball, gets the screen, will take a jump shot, blocked by Deep. And Ginit is with the ball. 3-0 up Garjana.
Once again, the Garjana side taking it slow on the attack. That's how they start their matches quite often. There's a baseline inbound. Deep finds Doshi. Doshi again, back out. Kevin again to Deep. From the high post, Deep connecting.
Garjana 5 up at the moment. It's 2 minutes into the first quarter, and there's a steal by Doshi. Doshi is moving forward, and he goes all the way, misses the layup. It's Bears in possession again. Bears haven't found their first basket till now. Shikhar, inside pass to Aman, misses the under basket. Garjana. Shlok on the ball to Ginit. Ginit to Doshi. Perimeter passing and stolen by Rajveer. Rajveer on the move. And he will go to the free throw line for 2 shots.
Rajveer Gupta is a very interesting name given how he goes on his matches. He shoots 66% in the last game from beyond the arc and 33% on the floor otherwise. He's currently at the free throw line for the Bears as their account is set to be open here. In this trip to the free throw line, there are the owners of the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar Garjana. They come in for all games, be it the men's or the women's, and they are always rooting for their team.
Garjana. Rajveer looking for a steal there. And Aman manages to do that. And they are on a fast break opportunity. Aman on the drive misses the layup. But gathers the ball yet again. Aman finds his teammate with a behind the back pass. Aman back on the ball for a three-point attempt. Misses it. And another rebound for the Bears. And Rajveer will go for the three-pointer. Open the account for the Mumbai Bears Suburbs in this game against the Garjana.
Sid Doshi, the captain, hands it off to Ginit. Ginit between the legs, loses the ball. And Satyam with a quick handoff. And unnecessary there from Aman, extending his arm out, and the official takes note of it.
It's Garjana's ball inbound from the sidelines. 4 minutes into the game, both the teams standing at a 2-point difference, 5-3, Garjana in the lead. Ginit gets the ball. Ginit finding his teammates. Ginit going all the way from the three-point line, will make that shot, and up to 8. Garjana team owners excited early on in the game. Shikhar from the three-point line misses the shot. Not able to answer back.
Kevin Karzai with the ball, manages to maintain the dribble. 5-point lead. Shlok with that quick pass back to Shlok to the rim. Can't get it to go. And Deep can't get the rebound, but it's still alive for Garjana. And there's the confirmation on that. There was a whistle, and possession will remain with the team wearing light blue.
It is the first quarter and half of it is done. 5:28 on the clock. Deep with the ball. Shlok and
A shot clock violation there from CSN Garjana. They were not able to take the ball to the rim. They were trying to rotate it too much, and in between, the ball going out of bounds did cause a slight bit of a confusion. And now the score remains at 8-3. There's the drive. Man with the ball. Again a drive and the handoff. Suburbs searching for another basket. Good defense. Deep this time getting the block. And the ball will be brought up the floor. There's a behind the back dribble 2 times from Shlok. He gets past the third player. There's the pass to Doshi. Doshi pulls up from the mid-range. Can't get it to go. Deep fights for the rebound. Loses it. And the Bears in transition lose the ball again. And Deep finds Ginit. Ginit, the ball's taken away from him. Still with the CSN side. And here Doshi decides to just slow it down a bit, because they are playing with a lot of haste. Deep over the defender, can't get it to go. He gets the rebound, plays it to Ginit. Ginit over a couple of players, once again falls short on that, and the sequence continues on both the sides. Bears now slowly bringing the ball up.
will give credit to Bears' defensive effort here. Rajveer from the mid-range misses it. And there is some talk between the teammates. Not happy with the miscommunication there, Rajveer and Shikhar. Doshi on the ball. Hands it over to Ginit. No. Back with Doshi. Saves a steal there. And Shlok misses the mid-range shot. And on to Doshi. Open look. Misses another shot. Garjana will gather the ball yet again with the rebound. Doshi to Deep. Deep from the mid-range. Will make it this time. It's 10-3. 7-point lead by the CSN Garjana. Close to 3 minutes remaining in the first quarter of the game. And there has been fouled and the ball will be turned over.
Rajveer to inbound for the Bears. They're down 7. And a nice play quickly. Should have made the basket, but he's been rewarded with the foul.
On to the free throw line. Mumbai Bears will be looking to cut that lead with the first quarter coming to an end pretty quickly here. It's Satyam, number 12, from the Mumbai Bears on the free throw line. He will make the first one. And Ginit on the ball yet again. A steal incoming. No, not yet. Ginit gathers the ball, gives it to Doshi. Doshi driving in, loses the ball. Again back to Garjana. Deep with the ball. And it will be turned over in favor of the Mumbai Bears.
Bears relying on reviving possession through turnovers, but they have to do it on both the ends of the floor. We're into the last 2:16. And there's the ball once again on the attack. Shot again, and another trip to the free throw line, loading for the Mumbai Bears, and they continue to attack the rim.
Shikhar, 91, number 91 on the free throw line. Seems to be a slow-paced game in the first quarter. Even though Garjana is sitting there with a 6-point lead, and Shikhar misses the first free throw attempt. It's 3 fouls here for Garjana up until now, and there are 2:24 remaining on the clock for the first quarter. Shikhar will remain on the free throw line. Another shot for him. And he misses it. It's Doshi with the rebound. Garjana in possession, long pass. And he will take it out to the 3-point. Doshi from beyond the arc makes the shot. Up to 13 for CSN Garjana.
Nine-point game here. Shikhar through the baseline, and he cuts the line, stepping out of bounds, and an unnecessary turnover from the Bears. Shikhar, one of their key players, just going out of bounds. We're into the last 2 minutes. Shlok feeds the high post. There's the pass to the corner, and a violation as well. Back-to-back turnovers from both the teams.
As I said, a slow-paced game for sure because of the steals and the turnovers on every second move. Trips to the free throw line also we have seen quite a lot. And there a steal incoming from the Garjana team. It is Shlok this time with the ball. Goes inside. Can't get it to go. And that will be the Bears in possession yet again.
Quite clueless there in that occasion. But they will rely on this 12-point cushion that they have for the rest of the first quarter. They've set it up well for their teammates who are yet to come in for the second. An high-arcing shot won't go. There's the rebound gathered. Deep getting it there for his team. And CSN Garjana would fancy another basket here. Already a 12-point lead. Doshi powering his way through, gets denied by the rim. And here a long ball inside for the Bears. And a foul committed there.
Garjana, despite the mess on the floor right now, they have managed a 12-point lead in this quarter. CSN Garjana. And back to the free throw line. Mumbai Bears seen quite a lot out there in the first quarter. He will make it up to 5 for the Bears.
Can't connect in that occasion. Long ball played on the other side. Both the teams trying to go in for touchdowns on either ends of the floors. And same result with 42 seconds remaining here on the clock. The score is being fixed. 5-13 is what the score is.
Less than 30 seconds on the clock before the first quarter winds down, and there is some talk between the refs and the scoring table. They are setting the game clock, and it is up to 42.7 seconds remaining in the first quarter. And that will be Mumbai Bears in possession. Aman, the steal incoming, but that will also be a foul, and there you go, Garjana's ball. That's Ginnett in the corner, going for a tough shot, misses it. It's Rajveer on the move. Rajveer makes a quick pass inside, blocked by Doshi. Back to Garjana.
Top shot there, can't get it to go, but the rebound is good. And a well cleaned up shot from Deep. And again a turnover from the Bears. Long shot won't go, but the story of the first quarter has been the Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Garjana having a 10-point advantage with 3 more quarters of basketball to play. Stay tuned on Z5. Welcome back to the second quarter of this matchup. We're all set to witness CSN Garjana and Mumbai Bears in action. One of these teams will be in action for the last time in the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. The question is who? After the first 10 minutes, Garjana with the 10-point advantage. Along with me in the comm box is Pavni Ahuja.
Yes, Garjana has taken the lead early on in the game, and they are with the ball in possession. It's Shetty on the floor, passes it to his teammate there inside, and can't make it. Bears on possession. Rawat going for a floater, will make it. His first possession, he will make the basket count. Rawat on the floor for the Mumbai Bears, a key player on the floor. Ayan passes it to Parth. Parth finding his way through. Passes it to Shetty. Shetty in the corner to his teammate. Can't gather the ball there, and it will be a turnover in favor of the Suburbs.
This has happened since the very beginning of the first quarter. The Bears get possession, but they haven't been able to captivate whenever they go on the attack. Perhaps this fresh set of 5 players can do things different. And it's gone to the high post. And the block attempt, this is why you should not blindly swing. And that's been called a foul.
Rawat on the floor. Rawat will go to the free throw line. So, he was the MVP of the game yesterday, Badal Rawat. An exceptional player for the Mumbai Bears, playing a key role there at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. Misses the first free throw. And second one is good to go. It's Garjana's ball again. Ayan will take it from here on. Ayan settling his teammates up, making a play there, setting it all up. The screen is set. Ayan on the move. Misses the shot. And Rawat says, yes, that's on me.
As the free throws are taken, a quick look on the stats so far. The Mumbai Bears shooting 20% from beyond the arc, while CSN Garjana shooting 75%, 3 of 4 from beyond. And the lead scorer, of course, for CSN Garjana has been Ginit Soni and Deep, sharing 6 points apiece.
That's right. And 3-point percentage making a difference here. But still, I would say that it has been a low-scoring game so far with 15-7 on the scorecard. Both the teams making their trips to the free throw line pretty often. And there, Shetty yet again on the free throw line for one shot.
Talking point again of the first match. I think a big talking point here in the Sandhya MBL is that the defending champions have been knocked out, which means we're going to get a new champion this year, a new champion that will be crowned on Sunday right here at the Balewadi Indoor Stadium.
Garjana with the rebound. Ayan sets the play. Parth inside. And he loses the ball off his feet. It is a turnover yet again in the hands of the Bears. When will this...
This game of basketball continues to show us as to why you can never write a team off. It's just 7 points now between the two Bears on the attack, evaluating their options. They will inbound it from the baseline. Quick pass to Gautam. Gautam looking to take on the defender, loses the ball. Ayan looking to receive it. Shetty now. Back to Ayan. Ayan kicks it to Shetty. And a foul takes place on the drive.
Garjana's owners are celebrating that call in the favor of Garjana. Will take it from the baseline. Ayan to Viraj. Viraj back to Ayan. Ayan finding his teammates, dribbling his way through, and passes in the corner. He will drive in. Shetty and misses that shot. Bounce back off the rim. It's Garjana's ball again. Bears not getting a chance to touch the ball there. Samartha from the sidelines to Ayan. Ayan is looking for Viraj there. Viraj hands it off to Parth. Parth drives in, and there the whistle blows by the ref. It's a foul.
It's interesting to see how CSN Garjana were trying to play an all-out game where the players all come to the perimeter and give space for drive-ins, but now they've reset it towards the post being there, and Soni puts up the shot. Ayan there with the miss, and the Bears look to go on transition. Fast break was the intent, but turnover was the result.
Rawat seems frustrated there with the pass by his teammate. A long pass out of bounds, and the possession goes back to Garjana, where the scorecard is not moving at this point. 7 minutes in the second quarter, blocked there by the Bears, and it will be their possession. Arya Raj on the move. Arya Raj passes it to his teammate, and he will miss an easy under basket there. The Bears haven't gone to the double digits, and it is almost half of the second quarter. Ayan loses the ball there, out of bounds.
Score's been stuck at this numbers for a while now. 7-point advantage for Chhatrapati Shambhajinagar Garjana. There's the ball with Shetty, calls for the screen through the left. Shetty kicks it out. Ayan with a mid-ranger to beat the clock. And here's the second chance given to Garjana. Tough shot there. And Shetty somehow will hustle for it and ensure that they have possession with 14 remaining.
Yet again, Garjana's ball. I mean, how many of those are required for a bucket there? They are not able to find that or finish it at the rim as well. Parth with the ball. Ayan is open, but Parth moves inside, and that will be a traveling violation on Parth. And Garjana's coach is pretty concerned with that move. He is a little irritated with the player there, and it will be a timeout with 5:47 remaining in the second quarter of Garjana versus the Suburbs. And we are back for the second quarter, 5:47 on the clock, and it will be Bears on the ball. Finally in possession, the Bears will be looking for a bucket there, lose the ball yet again, and they gather it. There is Rawat looking for the ball, but Ayan steals it away.
Ayan hands off to Shetty. The perimeter rotation coming alive for them. Parth again to Shetty. Very good ball rotation. This time the penetration and the layup. A very good play of basketball for CSN. And that's their first basket here in the second quarter. It took them almost 5 minutes. Pavni.
Absolutely, and they should get it going from here. That ball rotation definitely helped them. Arya from beyond the arc makes the shot. They have started it after this timeout. Both the teams coming in strong. It is 17-11, a 6-point game out here. Garjana on the lead. Ayan moves inside, loses the ball. And, Garjana's owners discussing the game in the VIP section. Ayan from the baseline to Shetty. Shetty finds the rim but can't get it to go. It is Bears in transition. Arya Raj passes it to Sumit and he misses a simple jumper there. Both the teams falling short with the buckets here. They aren't able to finish. And the scorecard still at 17-11 from the three-point line. Bears miss it, long shot. Badal Rawat gathers the ball there, makes an attempt. It's an air ball by Badal Rawat.
There's a powerful drive. Raj goes up, he's denied. And the Bears in transition, down 6. Gaining some momentum here late in the second, and a foul drawn, which means they're going to get a couple more free throws. Ayan is confused. I think it's on Ayan.
They have picked up the pace a little bit here, both the teams. Bears especially, they need to get going, considering the number of steals and turnovers that have happened in this first half of this quarter. It's Kapil on the free throw line. He misses both of them, and that has been redeemed. 2 points for the Bears. Shetty on the ball. Shetty gets the screen. He's finding his teammate. And loses the ball to Rawat. Rawat steps out of bounds.
Oh. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 3:14 on the game clock here in the second quarter. Ayan's got options. Ayan would look to go himself as he always does. Puts it up, a hard shot. He forced it in that instance. And a violation there on that rebound which was gathered.
Could be a pretty simple game, but they're just complicating it with those moves. Badal Rawat is being guarded there, and off to Sumit. Sumit outside to Kapil. Kapil resets the defense, and Ariraj takes the floater, and it's in for Ariraj. Bears up by 2 points and cut the lead down to 2. 17-15, Garjana on the lead. Shetty will take it forward from here. Shetty pump fakes inside, blocked. Viraj will redeem the shot, and 2 points again for Garjana. Finally, the scorecard is moving here, Ryan.
Definitely, with little over 2 minutes remaining. Garjana keeping it alive, and there's a block from CSN Garjana. Mumbai Bears have slowly crawled back into this game to make it a 4-point affair. And Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Garjana need to just keep that tempo on. I know it's not their best 5, but here they're giving the Bears the confidence. That's why these shots are important. He misses, but the second chance of Shetty is no good. And the Bears in transition, 3-on-2. Kapil goes up himself and makes the layup.
Number of times they have lost that ball while dribbling. It's a concern for sure, and there Ayan collects the foul. On to the free throw line, Ayan from the CSN Garjana team.
Ayan has proved to be a very important player on this team, mainly because he takes charge, he takes lead in the second quarter when a bunch of the key players usually play the first, and he's had a few stellar performances. Here are the fans, parents enjoying the atmosphere here at the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. There's an offensive rebound and the shot is good, and the Bears will tie the game with a minute and a half remaining. A good comeback late in the second quarter for the Bears here.
Absolutely, and the game is finally moving. Bears have tied it up, and there Shetty is fouled. He will go to the free throw line. Looking to cross that 20 mark on the scorecard. Garjana failed to extend that lead early on, and Bears have capitalized on that, and they have caught up pretty quickly. First free throw goes for Shetty, and it is 20 on the scorecard. Makes the second one as well. Badal with a long pass back to Rawat, and he misses it. So Garjana on the ball. Parth slowing it down a little. Passes it inside, and Viraj will make the shot. Tied again. With a 4-point lead, Garjana. Araraj from the 3-point line couldn't make that long shot. And
the confirmation of the foul, and it's going to go in favor of CSN Garjana. And because the Bears are over the limit, Garjana will shoot free throws the remainder of the quarter. That's 42 seconds. And again, the Suburbs came back into this matchup, but right off of that, the CSN Garjana side wanted to go back to the advantageous position. There's the first free throw. He can't connect. Samartha Pagare at the free throw line will look to make at least one this trip, which he does. And 37.9 seconds will restart. That's a good sequence all the way to the rim. A top shot there.
yes, and we have cut down the lead to 3 points here. Ayan, 28 on the clock. Ayan blocked. And second quarter is coming to an end here with the Garjana in a 3-point lead. Ayan will take it from the baseline to his teammate inside the paint. Misses that shot. It's Araraj in transition and loses the ball in the process. It's Garjana back at it with 4 left on the shot clock, and Shetty will take it from the 3-point line, misses it, and it's the end of the half time. 24-21. Garjana team in a 3-point lead. We will be right back after a short break for the second half of this game.
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर, यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं, और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं, वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Bro, electric.
Bro, petrol.
Minus 20 bhp and 18 nm torque beast.
My X47 has double the power. 40 bhp, 100 nm torque. Cameras, radar, onboard charging.
But I've got that.
Bro, I paid 1.5 lakhs upfront with UV battery flex. And then 2.5k per month. Less than what you pay for petrol every month. Upgrade to Ultraviolet X47 starting at just rupees 1,49,000 with UV battery flex.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Welcome back to the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. That is what a bunch of them will be playing for. The league MVP walks away with an ultraviolet bike courtesy of our MVP partner Ultraviolet. Two beautiful bikes up for display. And Pavni, a quick question to you. Which one of the two bikes do you like more, the yellow one or the red one?
I would definitely say the yellow one. My favorite out of the two.
Stick to the scooties, I would suggest. Your feet has to reach the
They
pedal.
will land. They will land. Don't worry, Ryan. Shikhar in possession. We have started out with a 3-point game here between the Garjana and the Suburbs. It's Bears in possession, missing that first possession. And, crucial quarter for both the teams. Will be looking to get a good lead this one. And the Garjana start out with a 3-pointer here.
The Bears keep on coming close. They knock on the doors, but Garjana deny every opportunity for the Bears to come closer. But this is the best combination for both the teams, and the baseline jumper for the Bears is good.
Absolutely, and they will hope to keep it going. considering it has been a very slow first half of the game. Parth from the 3-point line, it rims out, and frustrating kind of shots for sure. Off to Shikhar. Shikhar from the jumper, and he will get it to go. It's a 4-point game. Garjana in the lead. Ayan on the ball.
It's a 2-point game as a back-to-back jumpers from the side comes in. And there's a mid-ranger for the CSN side. Deep is back in action here in the third quarter. And Deep is very effective from his range.
Rajveer on the floor to Shikhar. Shikhar goes inside out to Rawat. Rawat makes a smart move there. Back to Rawat, and he gets blocked but will be redeemed by Gautam. Bears. It is Ayan on the ball. Hands it off to Ginit. Ginit inside all the way and misses that shot, almost there. A hustle for the ball between Deep and Shreyash. And the Garjana coach says apna hai. And so is it for Ayan there at the baseline. Parth moving his way through the defenders to Ginit. Ginit, two defenders on him, and he makes a good shot there. It is a 2-point game. Apologies, a 4-point game between the Garjana and the Bears. Bears will be looking to respond early since the buckets are falling now for both the teams. And that will be a foul for 2 shots, and Shreyash will go to the free throw line. Can he cut down the lead to 2? Is the question. The defensive pressure there, and Bears will take it from the baseline actually. No 2 shots for Shreyash there. It is Rajveer to Shikhar. Shikhar to Badal, and he is instructing his teammates there. Passes it to Shreyash. Shreyash inside, gets the bucket, cuts the lead down to 2 points.
Something interesting here is that Sid Doshi, the captain of CSN Garjana, is on the bench. And the intel given by our team is that he is being kept out because they want more shooting. And they are prioritizing shooting. But I don't see that as a good decision, Pavni, because if you look at Sid, given his physique, he's a very dominant person on the court. He gets those offensive rebounds. He can also shoot, by the way, and I think the Garjana side would need his leadership whenever it is up for the offering.
Indeed, Ryan with the expert analysis here in the combox. And Garjana will take it here from here on. 2-point lead with the Garjana. Will be looking to extend it deep. Fix it and gives it to Shetty. Shetty with a beautiful look there. Rajveer. From deep down, Rajveer misses that shot. An air ball actually. Not something he will be expecting in this quarter.
But interestingly, had that shot gone in, it's a 1-point game and pressure builds on Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. So they have to be calculative, and here an offensive foul, and they're not making use of what is being given to them here.
Yes, it's Bears in possession. We did see a lot of turnovers in the first half of the game by the Garjana team, and which is why they haven't been able to extend their scorecard enough. It's Badal Rawat from the mid-range, and good shot there by Rawat. Cuts the lead down to 2. Ayan passes it to Deep. Deep back to Parth. Parth gets the screen. Parth is looking for Deep yet again. Deep with the jump shot, misses it. It is Bears rebound. Shreyash on the ball. Passes it to Rawat. Rawat looking for his teammates. Finds Shikhar. Shikhar misses it. Shikhar with the rebound. Will finish it with an and one.
Top shot there from Shikhar. He had a sloppy first attempt, but he made up for it by getting the rebound and also quickly got the shot away along with the foul. And they've tied the game, and this shot again gives them a chance to take the lead. So once again, the discussion or the point goes back to whether CS and Garjana have made the right decision by keeping Sid Doshi out. Although the shot is missed, the score is tied at 33 apiece.
That's right. And Ginit is moving the ball for the Garjana, and he goes all the way to get the shot. It's half the quarter remaining in the third quarter. It's 5 minutes on the clock. Rawat, smart pass to his teammate there, and he misses it at the rim. Will be Ayan taking it from the baseline. 2-point game here. Again, sort of slowed down the game, which really started a little quick in the third quarter. Smart pass there, but lost the ball in the process. Has been fouled by Deep. Coach is not happy with that foul for sure.
Already the third foul of the quarter. And the importance of fouls you commit comes back to bite you later in the game. Garjana have regained the lead. The Bears will look to tie it up here once again. Shikhar with the mid-ranger. He can't get it to go this time. And the rebound is somehow gathered by the CSN side. Here they come. There's Ginit on the ball. Finds Shetty. Shetty to Ayan. There's 3 passes. That's the 4th pass in this play. Deep forcing the shot. He gets blocked. And a fast break opportunity. 2-on-1. Rawat all the way to the rim.
The number of turnovers we have seen on both ends is immense. I mean, that must be the reason for the scorecard to be not moving at all at times in the game. And it is Garjana in possession. Shetty, apologies, Parth will make the shot, miss it. Shreyash to Rajveer. Rajveer on the move. Rajveer for the offensive foul there. Rajveer is surprised by the call from the ref, but good call by the ref for sure.
He has to make peace with it. And we're back on a tie situation. Deadlock is up and running with 3:36 on the clock. And now Garjana with a chance to add on and take back the lead. He fakes the pass. Ginit needs to find a player. He finds Deep. There's the play to Shetty. Back to Ginit. Ginit taking on the defender through the middle. Euro step up and under. Makes a tough shot.
Smart move by Ginit, and Badal Rawat slows it down, passes it to his teammate. There, almost made it to the rim. Shikhar will redeem. Rawat to Rajveer. What a good ball rotation from the Bears. And they are back out. Rawat to Rajveer, and Rajveer from the 3-point line misses that shot. What a beautiful ball rotation. Couldn't capitalize on it though. Could have tied the score yet again with the Garjana team, but Garjana is on the move. Shetty to Ginit. Ginit slowed it down right there. Sets the screen. Ginit finds Deep inside. And a good move there by the Garjana. It's 2:30 on the clock for the third quarter to end, and Garjana is here with a 4-point lead. Rajveer on the ball. Rajveer to Shreyash. Shreyash with the jumper and cuts the lead to 2 yet again.
2:15 on the clock after that shot. And a quick pause there as the officials allow a few technicalities to be addressed. And a timeout also called. We will be right back.
We are back with 2:10 remaining in the third quarter. Ginit for the Garjana team. Set screen by Deep. Ginit makes a unique pass there to Deep, blocked inside the paint. And a fast break opportunity. Badal Rawat passes it to Rajveer. Rajveer to Shreyash. And Shreyash misses, but Shikhar will redeem the shot for the Bears. It is a tight score at 39 all for both the teams with 2 minutes remaining in the third quarter.
Crowd there enjoying the game. And once again, the score is being fixed. And there, a shot for the Bears is no good. We're tied at 39 apiece. Ginit lines up the three, high arcing shot. And the rebound is cleaned up. Shetty with a big shot.
It's Rawat on the move yet again in transition, trying to make the bucket. Almost got it there, but unfortunate miss. And Ginit with the ball yet again from the three-point line. Garjana misses it, tries a jumper there, misses that one again. And he apologizes to the bench there. Parth, number 20 from the Garjana.
You got to like the way the bench and the coach is immediately telling the player it's okay. They have possession. It's a baseline inbound. 2-point lead into the last minute. This is quite important for them to set themselves up for the fourth quarter with the lead. Ayan inbounds. Shetty with the ball. Shetty going all the way in. Finds Deep under the board. A very good play there to add 2 more to their tally.
And it's 35 seconds on the clock. Garjana with a 4-point lead. And they get the steal pretty quickly there. A very bad pass there from the Mumbai Bears. Can't afford to do that in the final seconds of the third quarter. And Ginit hands it off to Ayan. Ayan inside out. Couldn't find his teammate there. And some miscommunication on the Garjana end. The clock is running last few seconds in the third quarter. It's Shreyash with the jump shot. Will make it to end the third quarter. And CSN Garjana leading by 2 points here by the end of the third quarter. We are going to be back for the fourth one, the full and final quarter. And see you soon.
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूँ आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर, यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर खुल रहा है आपके शहर में। हम हजारों की संख्या में आईआईटी में और मेडिकल में बच्चों को पहुंचा चुके हैं और ये कर्तव्य के भाव से पहुंचा है, क्योंकि मैं भी खुद कोटा से पला बड़ा हूं। हमारी कस्टमाइज मशीन्स, हमारी एप्स, वो सारी सुविधाएं जो हम कोटा के बच्चों को दे रहे हैं वो सब आपके शहर में अब आपको मिलने वाली है। तो आइए मिलकर एक दूसरे के भविष्य को सुधारते हैं। मुझे सुनने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू।
Welcome back to the fourth quarter of the Mumbai Bears Suburbs versus the CSN Garjana. It's 43-41 at the moment, 2-point game with Garjana leading the scorecard. And till now it has been trailing and neck-to-neck matchup between the two teams. A lot of things need to be thought about and fixed on both ends. Hopefully in the fourth quarter, the teams bring their A game on the court. It's Rawat, Rajveer, Kapil, Shreyash, Gautam for the Bears, and Ginit, Parth, Deep, Shetty, and Ayan for the Garjana team. Lineup is set for the final quarter. We will be underway soon. Bears will start the final quarter of the game. Rajveer on the sidelines. Kapil with the ball. It's to Shreyash. Shreyash going inside. Misses. It's Gautam. Loses the ball. To Parth. Parth makes the jump shot. Misses it. Gautam to Rawat. Quick rebound there. And Rawat loses the ball. Another set of turnovers we're seeing in the initial seconds of the fourth quarter. Ginit passes it to his teammate. He will make the two-pointer. And that will be 4-point lead for the Garjana.
Important for them to captivate from here on, because Mumbai Bears have proven throughout the game that they can come back irrespective of the lead. Once again, it's played to the post, fading away, shot, rattles around the rim and goes in. And it's back to a two-point affair in this game. And Ginit now with the ball, looks at his options. Doshi's not back, and I'm starting to think if it's an injury that's keeping him out. There's a drive towards the rim. There was a defender chasing, and he can't get the finish. Here comes the Bears in transition. Quick pass under the board. Shot is good.
Good play by the Mumbai Bears there. It's again a two-point game. Ginit finding his way inside, fouled in the process. Ref calls it blocking foul. It will be inbounded. Ayan starts it off to Shetty. Shetty passes it to Parth. Parth inside to Deep. Too many defenders on him and loses the ball in the process. Rawat taking it forward for the Bears. Rawat keeps it slow. In the corner, Rajveer has been called with a travelling violation there. Not very happy with it. Shetty on the move. Shetty to Parth. Parth to Ayan. Ayan finding his space there and misses the floater. It's Bears back in possession. 45 all, a tied score at the moment. Rawat between the defenders tries to make a pass, but it's Garjana's yet again. And Shetty to Ayan, loses the ball. Rajveer with the steal. Rajveer to Rawat. Rawat picks up the foul.
And that's the clarification on the score. We're tied at 45 each. And 7-11 is what is remaining here in this quarter. And now the ball is inbounded. And Rajveer's got options. He's been very effective throughout the match coming into this. There's Shreyan. There's the extra pass to Kapil. Tightly guarded. Up top, Kapil attacking the board. And a well-drawn foul. And now a chance for the Mumbai Bears to take the lead.
Absolutely. And Kapil on the free throw line, number 34 for the Bears. Misses the first free throw. Both the teams will not go back to the board and look at their shooting percentages for sure, because tonight they have not really converted a lot of those. A lot of turnovers and steals for sure. Ayan misses that, and it's a rebound by the Bears. Rajveer pacing it up towards the basket, and he will get the shot right.
And I was waiting for that whistle. A very important timeout called by CSN Garjana. They're down 3 all of a sudden. And for a team that's leading throughout the game to all of a sudden lose the lead in the fourth, that is worrisome. We will be right back soon after this timeout. Welcome back to the fourth quarter of this matchup. Mumbai Bears looking to book a spot in the semi-finals. Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Garjana all of a sudden. And we've got still some time of basketball to be played. And there are the owners of CSM Garjana with some tension mounting upon their faces. There's the ball played to the high post. Deep going in. Foul. Oh, no, it's not going to count. It was on the ground, not in the act of shooting. And oh, there's the clarification. All right. First, he said it's going to stay down. But there we got the clarification. And Deep with a very big play because Garjana were trailing. And now Deep has a chance to make it a three-point play. And the officials give the signal on the player. And that's a second foul on the defender. There's the confirmation on that. And now a chance for Deep to take this game deep by making the free throw and completing the three-point play. A mistake there, and with over 5 minutes remaining on the fourth quarter, it's a 48 apiece. And once again, all eyes on CSN Garjana. And I'm going to talk about this again and again because Sid Doshi should ideally be on the floor. The tight games where they won down the stretch, Sid Doshi played a role. And here are the Bears. Rajveer all the way with contact makes the basket.
Be it any situation, Rajveer finds his rhythm always in a game, and he knows how to get those points and the scorecard running for his team, even in difficult situations. And he changes the pace of the game at times. And there, Shetty trying to get the bucket in, won't get it to go. And Rajveer on the move yet again. Rajveer pacing it up. And foul called on Rajveer.
It's going to go against him. An offensive foul, not ideal. They were looking to add on to their score. And the pleas and the claims come in from the bench as well. Nobody's interested. Play resumes. 4:50 on the clock. Garjana looking to tie. Here's Ayan feeding the high post. Shetty looks for options. Goes to the corner. Played to Deep under the board. Deep puts it up off the glass. A top shot from Deep.
50 each for both the teams. Rajveer on the ball to Shreyash. Out to Rawat. Rawat from the three-point line misses it. It's Parth with the rebound. And Ayan will take it forward till the offense sets up. And there you go, Garjana being blocked. Yet again, it's another block. 2 blocks in this attempt. And Mumbai Bears couldn't get it to the rim. Blocked in the process. Ayan will take it from the baseline. It's Ayan to Deep. Deep will find Ginit. Ginit inside, a tough shot, rims out, and it's back to Shreyash. Rawat moving forward. Bears looking for a lead here. Rawat, smart pass to Gautam, and what an assist. It's 52-50, and Gautam will go to the free throw line.
Yet again, a big moment in the match, because if you go back to the previous possession, CS and Garjana missed out on a very good opportunity. They got the baseline inbound, and you can see the owners still motivating their team. They're down 2, and this is a big moment, because if this shot goes in, it's a 3-point lead, which will not happen, and it's a 2-point advantage.
Here, because it's 2:48 on the clock. It's the fourth quarter, and both the teams are going neck to neck, of course, since the start of the matchup. And we've seen quite a few close matchups, but this seems to be going to the overtime if they keep going this way. It's Ayan from the baseline. Will pass it inside to Shetty. Shetty almost going to lose the ball. Parth redeems it. Ginit from the 3-point line misses the shot. And there Rajveer on the move to Kapil. Kapil to Rawat. Rawat moves inside all the way, picks the foul.
Again, it's the Bears being patient and attacking at the right time. They look for the opening, and that is when the drive-in comes. And qualifier.
We are back in the fourth quarter, 2:22 remaining for the full time, and Mumbai Bears Suburbs leading with 2 points, 50-50, and on the free throw line is Badal Rawat, makes that free throw, the first one, extending the lead. Crucial considering the time left on the game clock right now. Both the teams going neck to neck. Could be anybody's game here still. Badal Rawat with another one and extends the lead to 4 at the moment. It's Ayan on the ball for the CSN Garjana. Ginit settling in. Screen from deep. Ginit goes there with the layup. Clean and easy from Ginit. Down to 2 points. 2-point game here. And Rajveer set the screen by Gautam. Rajveer inside the paint, misses the shot. Back to Garjana. Garjana will be looking to tie the score here in this possession. Ginit on the move. Ginit turns, passes to Parth. Parth back to Ginit on the 3-point line. Ginit drives inside and picks up the foul. Drawing fouls at 1:30 on the clock. Ginit, good move there to tie the game. It's 5 fouls on both the teams at the moment. Mumbai Bears and Garjana. Interesting situation with 1:30 left. Couldn't get the first one in, Ginit. And doesn't get the second one. Those could be the deciders. Rajveer for the Mumbai Bears, looking to extend the lead. to Shreyash. Shreyash misses that jumper. Was looking for a steal, but Shetty with two defenders on him. Ginit on the ball. Ginit slowed it down. Ayan drives in and blocked by Gautam.
There we have our COO Sangram watching keenly. And the ball is to be inbounded from the baseline. They have a move. The coach keeps calling it out. Will they execute it positively? Shetty for the lead. Makes it! A top shot from Shetty. And CSN Garjana back up by one. The crowd loving every bit of it. They need to get a stop along with it. Bears will look to take the lead once again. There's the drive. There's the pass. The extra pass under the board. Denied by Ginit. He's put out a massive block. And it's big plays on both the ends of the floor. And this is a very important possession. We're into the last 30 seconds. Back to Ayan. Ayan looks for options. It's Shetty again. Once again, Ayan drives through the middle. There's the bounce pass. The shot under the board. The follow-up shot from deep is good. And CSN Garjana, courtesy of two good plays, have regained the lead.
It's 19.8 on the clock and fourth quarter, and the 3-point game. Will the CSN Garjana team win this all, or are the Mumbai Bears coming for a tie game here in the last possession? We'll be right back. We are back, and Mumbai Bears are down 3 points right now with 19.8 on the clock. Can they make it? Everything is possible in the game of basketball. Those 20 seconds are a lot on the clock, Ryan.
Oh well, could we see it happen? That's the big question. I'm sure there is a move drawn. All players are guarded tightly. And Rajveer to inbound. Will we see the ball going back to Rajveer? Oh, he slips. They need to find the opening, and the foul is committed. And that foul, because they're over the limit, is going to go to free throws. But again, 2 free throws is not enough for the Bears.
Yes, they need another possession after this. In no time, Rawat taking those crucial free throws there. And one on the game clock. It is Garjana's possession. Can the Mumbai Bears turn it over and get a possession to their name is the question. Let's get back right after this timeout.
We're back on with 15.1 seconds remaining in the game. CSN Garjana need to close the game out. They've been in a situation like this before, and it all comes down to this. I feel the Bears are probably going to go in and commit the foul, Pavni.
Yes, and the coach must have come up with the strategy for the last 15 seconds. We are on it, and Garjana with the ball deep to his teammate there, Shetty. Shetty taking his time, gets fouled. Ryan.
I like how CSN Garjana decided to somehow ensure the ball lands in the hands of Shetty. And I say this because he is reliable. He hit the clutch 3-pointer to give them the lead. And here he is shooting clutch free throws. Call it the commentator's curse if you want. But he's missed the first.
Shetty on the free throw line. Crucial free throw incoming. Misses that one. It's a 1-point game. And Mumbai Bears are in possession. 7 on the clock. Passes it inside to Shreyash. Stolen. And there's a hustle for the ball. Ref says stop.
The entire camp, and I think it's just a warning to Ayan, That being said, what a game of basketball. We got to see everything happen here at the Balewadi Indoor Stadium. As for the Mumbai Bears, they are eliminated from the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. A great campaign, but CS and Garjana have rhythm, have momentum, and they've booked themselves a spot in the semi-finals. Thank you so much for joining us live on Z5. This is the Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League. Stay tuned for more matches coming your way. These are your commentators, Ryan James and Pavni Ahuja, signing off.
कहाँ है ब्रो भाई महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीड ये है महाराष्ट्र का सबसे बड़ा सीन सपनों का ड्रीम नागपुर पुणे या हो मुंबई हर कोने से आए सब रेडी भाई महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग ये चीज है बारी महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग मेहनत करने वालों की सवारी महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग है महाराष्ट्र की जान महाराष्ट्र बास्केटबॉल लीग अब जीतेगा जो डालेगा फुल जान ये गेम ही है ऐसा जो ठोकर में भी सिखा था गिर गए उठ फिर से भाग सिस्टम ही है ऐसा ना बाकी नो
नमस्कार, मैं आपका अपना नितिन विजय फिर से आया हूं आप सब लोगों के समक्ष। हम आ रहे हैं आपके अपने शहर यानी कि मोशन का सेंटर।
So once again, good evening and a very warm welcome to Sandhya Maharashtra Basketball League by ABC and ACG in association with the Maharashtra State Basketball Association. This is day 7. We are into the quarterfinals. So to give you a brief about the previous game, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar actually Garazla, Mumbai Bears were safeguarding their spot into the semi-finals. Congratulations to team Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar Garjana. Moving on to the next quarterfinals between the Kolhapur Kings and the Nagpur Beast Ballers. So let's call on court the first team of the third quarterfinals, team Kolhapur Kings. Along with their coaches, Mr. Gurudat Naik and Mr. Omkar Mahajan. And now it's time to call on court the second team of the third quarterfinals, team Nagpur Beast Ballers.